Hi everyone, today I am going to explain you about how to generate a demand bill. Now for that first you need to go to the payment center. Under the payment center you will find a fee management module. Now in fee management module you need to go to the demand bill setup. You need to select with the frequency. So now once you set up with the demand bill, you cannot change it from here. Okay, so now in frequency you need to check on with the frequency you have to take, like it can be one time, it can be monthly basis, it can be quarterly basis, or maybe any other type. So for example, I have selected one time. And if you want to generate it manually, if you want to set up with the demand bill manually, you can click on manual basis and can go to the setup bill. Once you do that, you will get to see with the successful notification of demand bill setup has been done successfully. Right now I'm getting a warning message because demand bill has already been set up. So now you need to click on the generate demand bill. Now once you click on the generate demand bill, you can check with the class, the month, and the bill generation date. Like these are the classes whose demand bill has already been generated. Now if you want to create a new demand bill, you need to click on the create new demand bill. Once it is done, you will get to see with the manual demand bill generation, where you need to select the session, the class, the month. Now for example, I am taking April, and the action. Now if you want to modify anything in the demand bill, you can do that from here itself. If you already have set up a demand bill and you want to check with that, and if all the things are correct in that demand bill, then you can click on the generate now and your demand bill would be generated. Then we have the new admissions. Now if you want to generate a demand bill for a new admission, you can also do that from here itself. Right now I am taking modify schedule. Once you click over here, you will see with bill already generated. Do you want to view demand bill details? Now as you can see that in grade 5 month April, the demand bill was already generated. So now you cannot do any changes over here, so you can just view the demand bill. Whereas if you need to do the changes, so you need to go to the class, the month where you want to generate the demand bill for, and the action. Now once you click here, now you can check with the fee item type, like as if you have taken admission fee, the caution money, the dairy fee, the development fee, and the tuition fee. Now if you want to do any modification, any changes, that has to be done. If you want to change the caution money value, you want to add on with a new value, update a new value. So you need to click on the new value. You need to add on with the new value. Now once you click on the new value, you need to deselect it. Now you need to select the applicable for selected students. If you want to generate this demand bill for the particular students, you can do that. Or if you want to submit for all the students, then you can do that from here itself. Now if you I take submit for all the students. Now once you click on the submit for all the students, you can see that successfully the fee details have been updated. Now once you click on the OK, you will see with the number of students you have in class 10th. You can check with the amount, the back dues, the total amount that has to be submitted. Once you check with all these details, you can just click on the demand bill generate to generate the demand bill for the students. Now as you can see that the demand bill for each and every student has been generated. Okay, so now if you want to view the demand bill for any class, so you just have to click on the session, class, the section, and the month, like for what month you need to check the demand bill for. As of now, I am taking April. Once you click on the search, you can check with the demand bill details of each and every student who is there in class 4th section A, and the demand bill from the date of April month. So you can check with the admission number, the student name, the father's name, the bill generation date, the amount, the back dues, and the total amount that has been paid by the student. Now if you want to print the demand bill, you can just click all the students from here and can print the demand bill from here itself. Now, as you can see, the demand bill has been generated of each and every student from April to June month. So this was all about how to generate the demand bill. Thank you.